Hello, welcome to the vlog. I'm just gonna get sprayed in the face with some OC along with my friends. See you there. Ready for the OC spray?
No.
Are you ready?
I feel like I'm on the back of a tiger, right? I'm about to ride it into the eye of the storm.
You're about to get
But
OC sprayed.
they always say the calm before the storm. Chill, subtle. Nah, I am the storm.
I'm gonna cut this clip to you getting OC sprayed.
Put your arm out with your palm up. Stop. Put your arm at the small of your back. Cross your legs. Subject secure. Let's go.
Don't touch your eyes. Grab this baton. He's secure. Grab the baton in front of you. There you go.
You're not supposed to security forces. Get back.
Nope. Where is he at? There you go. Remember, tuck your fingers. And focus. There you go. Where's the verbal command?
You're not get back.
Buddy, these are strikes. Strike. Back.
Oh, get back.
Keep talking. Where's he at?
Get back.
There you go.
Get back.
Oh, where's he at? Let's go.
Oh.
Get him away from you. Keep breathing. Get him away. Good. Push him away. Push him. There you go. Yep.
Oh.
Yep.
There you go. Now. Get back. Let's get on the ground.
There you go.
Get back.
We're almost done. Let's go. Yep.
Get him off.
Okay. Come on. Get him away. Come on.
Guys.
Go get it. Don't get it. Yep. There you go. Grab it. Trace the seat. Get him away. Get him. Get him away. There you go.
Get her off of you.
So that's not playing with you. Come on. Left strike. Yep.
Yes, get on the ground.
Get him away from you. Try to time out. Oh, there you go. Way up. There you go. Great space. Come on, technique. There you go.
Turn away from the side of my voice. The saddle pops up.
Yep.
Watch your legs. The small of your back.
Good.
Something secure.
Good. All right, go. Good. All right, let's go. Yeah. Open your eyes.
How you feeling?
Awful. My entire face hurt. Couldn't see at all.
Time is your best friend. Y'all go home this evening, so y'all take another shower. It's gonna reignite. You're gonna burn again.
The guys were saying that when he did it, he went to the club that night, started sweating,
Yeah.
and while he was dancing with a girl, it just
Just lit him up.
started screaming.
Oh my god.
All right, Ryan, how are we feeling right now?
Scared, bro. I am so scared.
All right, but you're gonna kill it. It doesn't matter. You're gonna get it over with. It's like ripping off a Band-Aid, okay? Like ripping off a
Like
Band-Aid.
so fast right now.
I don't blame you. I do not blame you. Well, eyesight, it's been nice.
Bro, I don't even have eyesight to begin with. I took out my glasses for
She's gonna need to change her prescription. See you in a couple of minutes. Okay, Ryan, you got this, Ryan.
There you go, Rod. Go ahead, let's go. Come on. Stop, focus. Stop. Talk to my voice. I do it.
What to do? Come on.
Head out. Up. Stretch your legs.
Good. All right, grab the
Come on, Ryan.
Look where you're going. Going good, Ryan. Yeah, open your eyes.
Let's go, Ryan. Turn.
Hey, watch where you're going.
Last one. Let's go.
There you go. You're almost done. See your way out.
Nice job, Ryan.
Welcome to the vlog. We're here, we're live. Look at our arms. Oh my god, it's so red.
Stuff I said at the beginning, you know, I think I held true to that. It was hard. It was definitely tough. Power through. You know,
You did.
That's important.
But
You
where'd
did.
the baton go?
Oh, I also got my baton taken. Hyperextended my knee.
Power through.
You powered through.
Power through.
I dunked my head in the water and they told me not to do it. That was a stupid idea because it hurt even more.
Oh, I dunked my head into water a couple times
And then it
too.
got all over my arms.
I took my milk and I fucking sprayed my face with it. Valentine, do you have any words to say?
Round 2.
Round what? How are you feeling right now? Oh, we powered through it though. We powered through it. It feels like a burn. Like my arm is literally red right now. Everyone's arms are red. I think we all got it on the same side of the arm too.